Hello everyone, welcome to Kevin's Chinese class. Now that we understand what a pinyin is, it's time to meet our first sound. We're starting with the queen of Chinese vowels, a. Think of a as the anchor sound. It's open, clear, and stable. Getting this sound right is crucial because it appears in so many other compound finals we will learn later. So let's get started with how to pronounce the pinyin a. The secret is open wide. The pinyin a is pronounced like the a in the English word father. Open your mouth widely and relax your jaw. Keep your tongue low and flat in your mouth. The sound should be full, deep, and come from the back of your throat. Let's practice together. A, father. A, like the sound you make when the doctor asks to clear your throat. Remember, it's not the sharp I in cat or the drawn A in cake. It's a big, round, open sound. Now, let's sing A with the 4 tones. Let's give this A some melody. Since A is a vowel by itself, we can practice all 4 main tones on it directly. The tone mark is placed right on top of the vowel A. A, 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 A. The first tone A, the pitch is high and level, like singing a high note. Hold it. A. The second tone A, the pitch is rising, like you're asking what? Ah? 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 What did you say? Ah? 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 Okay, let's move on to the third tone. Ah. The pitch is dipping down, then rising. Your voice goes down to the bottom and then comes up. Ah. 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 The fourth tone. Ah. The pitch is falling sharply, like a stern command. Stop. Ah. 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 Okay, that's the 4 main tones of ah. How do you feel? Now let's play a game together. It's called the doctor's visit. Let's imagine you are all at the doctor's office. The doctor says, please open your mouth and say ah. First tone, high and level. You didn't hear them, so you ask ah. Second tone, rising question. Then you see something surprising in their hand, and you gasp ah. Third tone, deep in surprise. Finally, you understand what they want you to do, and you say ah. Fourth tone, falling in realization. See how one sound with different tones can express so many different feelings. This is the magical Chinese. Now let's put ah into action. Useful words and phrase. Let's see how the ah sound appears in real Chinese words. Listen carefully for the big open ah sound in these examples. The first word is ma. This is the pinyin for the character, which means mother. We call our mom ma or mama in daily life. Let me give an example sentence. 我的妈妈很好。My mother is very good. 我的妈妈很好。我的妈妈很好。Speak it out after me. Ma, ma, ma. The next word is ba. It means father. Here's the pinyin for the character. We call our dad ba or baba every day. Example sentence. 你爸爸在哪？ Where is your father? 你爸爸在哪？ Another word is 大. It means big. 这是一个大苹果。This is a big apple. 大，大，大。The next one is 他, which means he or she, depending on the character. 他 means he, 她 means she. 他是我的朋友。She's my friend. 他是我的朋友。他是我的朋友。Now let's try some short conversations. I will say them first, and then we will repeat it together. Phrase 1. Greeting family. 你好，妈妈。你好。你好，妈妈。你好。Phrase 2. Talking about size. 这是大马吗？这是大马吗？是的，很大。是的， 很大。Is this big size? Yes, very big. 这是大马吗？是的，很大。Phrase 3. Pointing out people. 他是谁？他是我老师。Who is she? She's my teacher. 他是谁？他是我老师。Well done. And are you ready for a challenge? Here is a classic tongue twister that is full of R sound. Don't worry about the meaning for now. Just focus on the pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's go. 妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。Do you know what it means? It means mom is riding a horse. The horse is slow. Mom scolds the horse. Let's learn it word by word. Mama means mom. 骑 means ride. 马 means a horse. 慢 means slow. 骂 means scolds. Now let's say it slowly first. 妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。Let's try to speed it up. 妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马。Excellent. Let's keep it moving. Let's write R with the tones. When we write Pinyin, the tone mark is very important. For R, it's simple. We always place the mark directly above it. This is the correct example. And here is the incorrect one. The mark is not centered or too far away. You got it? Okay, let's wrap it up. R sound is like the R in father. The mouth is open wide. Keep your tongue down. It's the core vowel sound for many other combinations like I, ow, an, Let's do it again with the 4 tones. You'll hear each tone 4 times in a row, and there is a pause between each iteration. Repeat during the pause. Are you ready? Ah, 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 ah. Excellent job. You have now mastered the first and most fundamental sound in Chinese pinyin. You can even say some real words and phrases now. Practice making this sound in front of a mirror. Next time, we will meet one of asked friend. Oh. Okay, that's all for today. Let's end this class with one more clear, confident, and loud ah, 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 ah. Thanks so much for watching Kevin's Chinese class. See you next time. Bye bye.